Over time, homes may require upgrades to improve comfort, functionality, or aesthetics. Renovation projects such as repainting walls, upgrading interiors, or improving living spaces can enhance the overall home environment. Planning these improvements with the right financial approach can help homeowners manage renovation costs while maintaining financial balance. Why consider a home renovation loan? Common home renovation needs. Home renovation projects may include painting, flooring upgrades, furniture replacement, kitchen improvements, or lighting enhancements that refresh the overall look and usability of a space. Understanding renovation costs. Renovation expenses can vary depending on the type of upgrades planned. Materials, labor, design changes, and installation costs may increase the total budget required for home improvement. Financing your home renovation smartly with a personal loan. Personal loan for home renovation helps fund home improvement projects without collateral with flexible usage across different areas of the house. Flexible repayment. Structured EMIs and multiple tenure options let homeowners spread renovation costs over time for easier budgeting. Balanced financial planning. Smart budgeting and responsible borrowing enable homeowners to upgrade living spaces while maintaining long-term financial stability. Renovating your home becomes more manageable with proper financial planning. Explore flexible personal loan solutions with SMFG India Credit to support your home improvement plans. To know more, visit www.smfgindiacredit.com. Subscribe to our channel for more updates.